Morning, how's everybody doing today? Thought we'd go check out my new daily driver project today. I'm in my daily driver now. It's a old 2015 Camaro V6. Gets about 25 miles to the gallon, and I've put almost 110,000 miles on it since I bought it. It's been a good car. I just tired of riding in a Camaro every day, so I bought another vehicle. It's a 2012 Tahoe. I'll get more into the story a little later, but hang around, let's go check it out. Check out my new daily driver. I'm gonna start driving this 2012 Chevy Tahoe. I bought it last August and bought it pretty good deal. It's got 200,000 miles on it. Transmission was out of it, so I bought it, brought it home, took the 6L80 out, went through it, rebuilt it, added some of the Sonics upgrades to it, zip kit, the 456 clutch drum and stuff, so maybe it'll last a little longer this time. It's in pretty good shape. It's silver and got gray leather interior in it. Got a couple little dents in it, but a bit more comfortable to drive every day instead of that 2015 Camaro that I got. The Camaro's got a bunch of miles on it, so probably gonna let it go after this, make sure this is reliable. Got some plans for it. Plan on lowering it, put some wheels on it, you know, blacken some of the stuff out. Make it a cool daily driver. It's got the 5.3 liter V8 in it, 6L80. It's got the third row seat. It's got all the seats. I cleaned up the interior. It was not nasty, but it was dirty, and I took everything out and cleaned it. It's got the third row seats. It's got heated seats, cruise, tilt, almost everything that you'd want since it's an LT model. It's got WeatherTech mats, sunroof. It's in pretty good shape. It's got a dash cover on it that takes care of the cracked dash on some of these generation Tahoes. But overall, it's in pretty good shape. I'm gonna spend a little money on it to make it reliable. So this will be my new daily driver. So follow along as we do some upgrades to it. Took a while to get the title. The owner had a tough time getting the title. The vehicle was bought in Texas and then she moved to North Carolina, so she had a time getting the new title. So if you got any upgrades you think I should make, let me know. Put that down in the comments. What would you like to see me do? Black everything out or leave the chrome on it? I'm thinking putting some wheels on it, 22s with maybe a chrome lip and black center. Taking the molding off the side, take the emblems, you know, Tahoe stuff off. Got to replace the front spoiler. It's kind of broke up. All the windows are tinted, so it's pretty cool inside. Had to charge the air conditioning. It's working good, front and rear. We might shave the luggage rack off the top too. But follow along as I do some upgrades to the Tahoe. I'm trying to come up with a project name for it. So if you got any ideas, let me know.